To control your phone using voice commands in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down to the accessibility right here, and then we can look for interactions and dexterity. Look for voice access and then you can activate it. There will be a brief setup that you can read through. Just click on continue and agree to anything that will pop up, otherwise this feature won't work. When we're ready, we can click on continue, allow, and then we can begin using voice access. So click on this icon right here and add a shortcut that will toggle it. So we're gonna go for tap accessibility button. Then we'll see this button floating around the screen. So you can click on it and then begin giving commands to your phone. So we're gonna say go back, and then our phone will basically go back. We can say go back to home screen, go back to home screen, open home screen. Okay, so this specific feature doesn't work, but you can try different commands. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.